Apple is a global technology powerhouse, famous for products like the iPhone and Mac. Its success relies on a vast supply chain, a hidden network turning ideas into devices. For years, this network has spanned continents mostly centered in Asia. But recent global disruptions have exposed the risks of relying on one region. Now, Apple is rethinking its strategy, aiming for a more resilient, diverse supply chain. Its latest move signals a major shift, strengthening operations in the United States. Apple is making a bold commitment to invest in America's future. The story of Apple's supply chain is now a story about America's future. Apple has announced a $500 million investment in its U.S. supply chain. This is part of a larger push to boost American manufacturing and innovation. The goal? Build a stronger, more reliable domestic network of suppliers and partners. Why now? Apple wants to reduce risk from global disruptions and speed up innovation by working closer to home. Proximity to California's engineering hubs means faster collaboration and quicker product development. This isn't about reviving old factories, it's about funding advanced manufacturing and next-generation technologies. Apple is investing in things like cutting-edge semiconductors and new materials for future devices. The pledge signals confidence in American workers and the country's ability to lead in high-tech manufacturing. Apple's move could inspire other companies to invest in the U.S., strengthening the entire industrial base. It's more than a business decision, it's a bet on America's economic future. This investment is designed to create jobs, foster innovation, and keep the U.S. at the forefront of technology. Apple is not just buying parts, it's helping invent the future. The $500 million pledge is a powerful message to the world. Apple is investing in America, and the ripple effects could be huge. Apple's $500 million is fueling a network of partners across the U.S., not just one company. Funds are expanding facilities and building new ones, like a Texas microchip plant doubling its capacity. Apple also backs smaller firms, like a Pennsylvania company making ultra-durable glass for iPhones. These investments create high-paying jobs in engineering, robotics, and materials science. Apple partners with colleges to train the next generation of skilled workers. The impact is real. Families, towns, and entire regions benefit. Apple's approach could redefine what it means to build in America. Apple's investment ripples far beyond its direct suppliers. The biggest winners are American workers landing high-tech, well-paying jobs. For families, these jobs mean stability and new opportunities. Communities benefit too. New factories boost local economies, fund schools, and support public services. Workers spend their wages locally, creating a wave of economic activity that helps small businesses thrive. Other U.S. companies benefit as well, supplying materials, services, and expertise to Apple's partners. This creates a multiplier effect, strengthening the entire industrial ecosystem. Apple's move also sparks innovation. When a tech giant invests, others follow, fueling a dynamic competitive environment. The result? More breakthroughs, more investment, and a stronger position for the U.S. in global technology. The impact isn't just economic, it's technological, pushing America forward. Apple's investment is a catalyst for growth, innovation, and resilience. It's about building a future where American companies and workers lead the way. The benefits extend from factory floors to entire communities. This is how a single investment can transform an industry and a nation. Apple's $500 million investment marks a turning point for U.S. technology and manufacturing. For years, production moved overseas, weakening America's industrial base. Now, Apple is proving that advanced products can be built profitably at home. This shift creates high-tech jobs that demand skills, creativity, and lifelong learning. It's an investment in people, not just machines, building a new generation of skilled professionals. A strong domestic supply chain is also a matter of national security, reducing reliance on foreign sources. Apple's move makes the U.S. more resilient to global shocks and trade disputes. This is about more than business, it's about America's ability to innovate and lead. Apple's bet could inspire a wave of companies to bring manufacturing back to the U.S. The journey is just beginning, but the impact could be profound. By investing in factories, workers, and innovation, Apple is helping shape a new era for American industry. The future of technology and America's strength may depend on moves like this. Apple's $500 million bet is a bold step toward a more secure, innovative, and prosperous future.